Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. Here we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they brought in here. The Snuggadoo gloves. They're so pretty and they're very thick. And look, this one looks like it has an emoji. Look at the little princess crown. And then this one here. And they have this one. And the little dinosaur. And here are the hats to match. Space Explorer, and here's the emoji hat. And then they have these with the pom-poms and these colors. Let's see what else they have. Okay, so here are the gloves. Okay, and here's the Snuggadoo. These are so soft. And then they have the earmuffs like this and the earmuffs like this. They have these kind here and these colors. So you have the gray, the brown, the navy blue, and here's the black. Okay, and these are the rest of the gloves. Then you have the scarves. I think these are headbands, yes. So here's the royal blue. Here's this pretty color. The gray, this mint green, and the black. Then you have these scarves. They're so pretty. So you have this style, then you have that style, then you have this style, that kind, this kind, and look, they have the leopard print, and this kind. Let's see what else they have. So here's some of the florals that they're bringing in. Look at this. I love these bunches, the cotton stems. They kind of wipe them out. So here we have in this location the baskets. Those are real pretty. And look at the snow globes. This one says peace, joy, and hope. And then you have these, the little metal stand of decor, the snowman. Here's the reindeer, Santa. What are these? I can't reach up there. Okay, so this box, guys, is filled with the nutcrackers, the wooden soldiers. So what does that say? Meow Jellicle. So you have that one, and then you have Let's Talk About Taco. And what's this one? Some kind of coffee. This one says Ram means I love you. We have these ones. So this is what they look like, just so you could see. Then they have the silver and the gold metallic candles. They brought these back, these candles. I kind of like them. They have like that diamond shaped color, and I see one of the marble. These are real pretty. They have, these are the colors that they have. This one here has this one, You Inspire Me. And then they have this kind of wall hanging. That one says Decor with the cactus. And then here's the cactus. Then they have this one over here, Imagine. Then they have these. Okay, so they have the cat. They have the space. And then they have the unicorn. I think these are new. These are new right here. They're in a triangle shape. This one says unicorn mode. And that one says weekend vibe. Vacay mode. That's cute. Out of office. That's real nice. So they brought these mirrors back over here. So they have a very small little crafters area. So let's just breeze through that real quick. I like these. These came out during the summertime, and I think these with photos are so nice. Especially this one right here. That boat steering wheel. I forgot what that's called. Then they have that pineapple, but the boat steering wheel is nice, and even that shell. And they have the pineapple. Then they have the table scatter. Then here are their stickers. These stickers, the emoji. So they have this love one. Then they have that spring one. This one says live happy. Dynamite, rush, flippin', awesome. That's adorable. Okay, some frozen stuff, some crayons along the bottom. Some more stickers over here, guys. And then you have the emoji stickers here, the regular alphabet stickers here, and the pearl stickers. And then you have some planner stickers, and this is the brush and pencil organizer. Okay, they're pretty stocked with that. And then they have some flat canvas panels here, and they're loaded with these color palettes with the paint in them. Then here's some more of the palettes and brushes, and even the oil pastels. Here's some tacky glue. They don't have much of any wood decor at all. So they have the multi-purpose glue, and then they have this apron, and these are the only acrylic colors they have. This washi tape. Let me see, and that washi tape. Then they have some sketch pads, and they're located over here in the crafters area. So they have sketch pads, and here's my favorite glue sticks, these big ones. So they brought these scissors back. They weren't in for a while, so here is where they placed the design of each one. So here's the blue one, and here's the green one, and here's the pink one, and there's the blue one again. These are the glow-in-the-dark beads. I think those are for Halloween. And then they did bring back the iridescent beads in the pink, the blue. I don't know what that coral color is on the top. I don't see the white ones though. And they have the gems, but only in the red. The arrows, the chenille stems, and the wood cutouts. These are new. These wood cutouts they added to their collection. The wooden dowels and some clamps. And then here on the side, this is the only Dollar Tree that carries the knitting needles and the crochet needles, but the crochet needles are out. So I don't know. Let's see what else they have. And over here, I guess they brought their calendars for 2021. Transformers. I don't know, they have different kind, and then they have this one. I like this one. Okay, and then they have this. This is really pretty too. And then they have those hanging ones. Okay, so here we have some sand, and you have that, all the colors. That's nice to see. You have your multi-stones there, and then you have these. I think I want to try working with these. Then you have some crushed glass there, and these pebble stones are very pretty. And I'm really liking this color blue. That's really nice. Then they have your vases, your terrariums. And then you have some planner stickers along here. You have some of the reindeer moss and the moss sheets and the Spanish moss. Then you have some ribbon. I don't think I noticed anything new. They did bring back a lot of succulents. So look at this one. These colors are so nice. Oh, look, they have the raccoon. We have some of those. They have this one. Yeah, they don't have very much. Okay, so here's all of the succulents. I wonder if they're left over from summer, because we didn't have any in the summer. Now we have loads of them. So these are nice. Probably the best time to get them is now. This is a nice, this color I never saw. And that one. That one. That one. Look at this. You have the garland along the bottom, and here are the garland ties. These come in so handy. And I'm loving these ornaments right here. And here's some Christmas lights, LED. Here's some tubing. Then you have some ornament filler And then you have vase filler and the silver, the red, the gold. Then these are really nice ornament fillers. They come in a 3-pack. Here's some bells, and those come in colors. Then you have some chenille stems. You have the pom-poms in the Christmas colors. Then you have the snow globe fillers. I like these because these are like mason jar. And then you have the wreath hangers in the green and in the red. Here are the craft jars, and those come in red, green, and gold. And these are some felt ornaments in the snowman, the Christmas tree, and the stocking. Then you have some bows here and some ribbon over here. These look like they have little pom-poms on them. Okay, then you have your ribbon. These are real pretty. This one right here is so pretty. Okay, and this one here looks new. The one with the Christmas gifts. Okay, that's all I see. Over here, the candy cane one. Those are so pretty. And then you have some more of the foam sheet ones. This is the gingerbread, the angel, the Christmas tree, and the snowflake. And even the snowflake in blue. And here's the felt snowman. And here is the gingerbread. Then you have some crafts and some more red ribbon. So you have these create your own decor. Christmas tree for the kids to color. Christmas snowman. Oh, look, and here's the truck. And then here is your stocking decorations. That's really neat. I don't think I seen these last year. Very pretty. And then you have the wooden stickers. And then your ceramic ornaments right here that the kids can color, and also the stocking and the little bags that the kids can color. Then you have those baskets and some more ribbon along the bottom. Okay, and here's the 5-pack ornament and the stocking, the bell. I like the bell. And here's the peace sign, and here is the Mary sign. This is Mary and Bright. Here's the snowman. Then here you have the Santa Claus, and here's the snowman. And here is, what is that, the snow? The tree skirt, I don't know. Then you have some of those LED lights, and here's some ribbon. They even have it in the bulb. I think the bulb is so cute. You can do your DIYs with the bulbs. And pretty much that's all I see, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.